and our class is ready, and I think you all are ready. Today we have a speaking session, and you have to speak about the use of dictionary. How much we should use dictionary, when we should use dictionary, is the excess use of dictionary harmful for us, and if it is harmful, then how it is harmful for us. So these are the points that you can take at the time of your speaking. So I think you all are ready for it, and I have also got some names. Oh, very good. I have got so many names. Harsh, Rohit, Rakshit, Harshit, Anuj, Lakshmi, Anjali, Vipin, or Gaurav. Okay. So we are starting with Harsh. Come on, Harsh.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshad, and today I'm going to tell you the real use of dictionary. So, as we all know that we all have come across dictionary in our life at least one or two times. As if we find any nowadays dictionary is not common as today we have Google, which on which we search anything and we directly get answer. Uh, we do not have to search it in the dictionary and waste our time. But some people think it searching meaning in the dictionary as a waste of time. But I think that it is more appropriate to use dictionary rather than Google, because in while in use learning in while searching meaning in dictionary, you may come across many other words too, with whom you are not unfamiliar. And at that moment your at least two or three senses will be active, like your brain will be concentrating on the word, your hands movement will be there, and you will understand the word, and you will fit it in your mind. But some people, I have seen that many people use dictionary for every each and every word. But I want to tell to them that they may use dictionary at their homes, but what will happen in their exams or in any conversation?
Hmm.
There they will simply be stuck at that moment, and the other person will run far behind them. So you should learn how to find the meaning of any word in the reference of the sentence.
Hmm.
Like if you like if an unknown word come across you, then you should first read the sentence carefully. Then in 90% cases you will find out the meaning, focusing if you are focusing on the word and the sentence too. And excessive use of dictionary always reduces your reading power. And the best way to get a meaning of word is first by referring to the sentence, and the second searching in the dictionary, not on Google should be your least and last priority. And that's it, sir.
Very good, beta. Shabas. Try to speak as much as you can, Rohit. Come on.
Yes, hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav, and today I'm going to tell you about use of dictionary. So, as you all know that nowadays the use of dictionary manually is very less, because we are used to with the Google Translator, and whenever we come across any unfamiliar word, we search it on Google and find its meaning. Before 5 to 10 years, there were dictionaries which were very common. In dictionary we can go whenever we come across any unfamiliar word, we can go to dictionary and find its meaning, by which we can enhance our vocabulary and understanding of the context. So dictionary was very popular. Every person used to carry pocket dictionary. I personally don't like this way of learning meanings, because some teachers advise that students should learn 10 meanings per day from dictionary by irritating them. So I don't like this way, because by this way we are suppressing our mind to develop its capacity. And when we think about the meaning, when we think about the meaning, most of the people who are used to dictionary, the one only one thought comes in their only one thought comes in their mind, that we should use dictionary. But a wise person who understand the meaning of word by inferring through the sentence and the context will develop his skills more than a person who is used to with the dictionary.
Hmm.
So we should always understand the meaning by inferring from the context. Like if we are reading any article and newspaper, then we should understand the meaning rather than just going to dictionary again and again and searching its meaning. Using dictionary too much reduces the efficiency of readers while we are reading, and we simultaneously loses our capacity to
बहुत बढ़िया.
understand the meaning at that point of time. And this harms our personal skills when we are giving any interview, and we are at any debates. At that time we are stuck by the speech of another person and unable to argue it with the good arguments and words, because the irritated thing does not go with us for a long time. We should develop a skill of understanding the meaning of the words by inferring through the context. That's it, sir.
शाबाश. बहुत बढ़िया. रक्षित.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am giving my views on the topic, that is the use of dictionary. So, as we know that all know that what is a dictionary? It is a platform at which we can find the meaning of many words that are known and unknown to us. And people use dictionary when they do not know any word and they want to know the meaning of the word. But as we can see that now it is natural that dictionary is used too much.
Hmm.
But and many people are in the favor of use of dictionary, and some are in the against. Bec- and but and in today's world it is natural, because if a person says that you should not use dictionary too much, it will be
हेलो.
exaggerated for everyone. But
अभी तो क्लास ले.
but it is true that dictionary should be used very less
बता तो
at and it is used when it is needed most. It is needed mostly, like first whenever a person comes in contact with an unknown word, he or she should try to understand the meaning of the word by inference from the context, and not he or she should rush towards the dictionary to know the meaning. And because we know that using dictionary for every single word decrease your reading skills and listening skills, because if you are too much addict of using dictionary, then it is very hard for you to understand any speech while listening, and to understand any text while reading, because using dictionary too much lessens the speed of reading,
शाबाश.
and also it stops the development of thought process, because whenever a person uses while reading any text uses dictionary for to find meaning of every single word, the thoughts of the person do not align in a proper line, and he or she feels confused while reading it.
Very good.
So it is advised that whenever a person comes in contact with an unknown word, first he should not go in despair that he or she does not know the meaning of the word.
शाबाश. बहुत बढ़िया.
And second, he should not rush towards dictionary to know the meaning. And the most effective way that he or she should infer the word by the context, and by looking at the meaning of forward and backward phrases and words, and should try to know the meaning of the word
शाबाश.
he or she doesn't know. So that's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया. वेरी गुड यार. बहुत अच्छा हो गया है. अब तो आप लोग beyond my expectation. You are doing beyond my expectation. I am very much happy. Yes, come on, Harshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit Moore, and today's my topic is dictionary. So, first of all, it must be clear to us that what is a dictionary. So, basically, dictionary is anything that translates any word or phrase into our own language that we are consisting of from another language which is not known to us. And nowadays, there is a trend that most of the people use dictionary to know many words they are stuck in, because it tells us and gives us the information of those words or phrases which are confusing us. And nowadays, there are also modern form of dictionary which are present digitally, just like Google Translator, which translates any word or phrase into our own language. And also the old form of dictionary is there too, which are consisting of books. And also some people are in the favor and some are in the against of dictionary.
क्या
Like some people are in the favor of dictionary
रुक जाओ तो
because they say that it is the human
बना दो
nature
बना दो
that that people come across
बना दो
many words which are not known to them, and to understand context they must know those things. And some which are in against of these says that that dictionary is not useful for us, as we are consisting of a brain that may understand the words by the context which are perfect for that word. And we must be clear that the people who are in against of dictionary are also not wrong, because dictionary using dictionary frequently reduces our skill, listening skill, and also it reduces our reading speed, and also it makes us too much addicted to the dictionary that we make ourselves able to do nothing without dictionary. And we need to use dictionary. If we would use dictionary, that will happen. And to be in any type of meeting, we must be clear that we won't get all type of the advantages that we are getting at our home. So it must be clear to us that dictionary is not always needed, because in meetings we don't have these types of facilities. So that's it, sir.
वेरी गुड यार, क्या मस्त वाला फ्लो हो गया तुम्हारा दुआ में। मुझे बहुत फास्ट होना पड़ता है तुम लोगों को सुनने के लिए, बहुत ज्यादा मुझे फोकस रखना पड़ता है। वेरी गुड यार, आई एम हैप्पी यार, कुछ भी कहो तुम यार। वेरी गुड यार। अनुज।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Anuj, and today the topic is the dictionary and its uses. So, basically, dictionary is a manual or a book of too many words, and it is basically used to know the meaning of the word, its pronunciation, its meaning, and its spelling, its antonyms and synonyms, and more about the word and its origin. So it was common before we got Google. So it was commonly used when people
बहुत
when
की जगह बिफोर वी हैड गूगल, कोई बात नहीं, आगे बोलो।
yes, sir, before we had. So uh, before earlier when people used to read books or etc. So whenever they used to came across the words that were unknown for us, they just had dictionary, and they just searched the meanings and the spellings of the word. But today it is not common. Today, if we are unknown to a word, so we basically Google it and know the meaning. But the joy of dictionary, of finding the meaning and definition from the dictionary, is another, and it cannot be like this is also a joy because it is physical. Like we have physical dictionary, so we have to find like from skipping the pages and where we go depends. And dictionary, there are a lot of people that use dictionary, but some don't, and cannot be cleared that there is no single word that use it or no don't use it. It depends, and but to improve ourselves, we have to use it whenever we came across the words that are unknown for us.
Come across.
Yes, sir. And the habit of finding the meanings and spellings from the dictionary is good. And yesterday we were talking about that this is not the way that just learn 10 meanings of the word from the dictionary. So I also faced it because uh, my elder sister used to say that learn daily 10 meanings from the dictionary. But when I learned the 10, so next day when I was learning the another 10s, so the earlier 10s were missing out. So I was I was child, so I didn't had the privilege of saying Didi that I'm not doing. Yeah, no. But I had to do it, but I didn't get anything. And today whenever I used to come across, I just Google, but I have the dictionary of Oxford, and yes, that's it.
यार अनुज क्या से क्या हो गए तुम यार? पार्टी
Yes,
वार्टी तो दे दो यार.
सर 44 तारीख को आ जाओ.
ये
सॉरी 22 को.
वही पार्टी ले ली भैया हमने पार्टी.
22 को
हैं? कब?
22 तारीख को आ जाओ, संडे को.
मैं सोच रहा हूँ 22 को ही. अभी मैं यही सोच रहा था कि 22 को मिला जाए.
Yes.
सोच रहा था मैं भी ऐसा ही. अब तुम भी ऐसा ही कह रहे हो तो शायद कुछ ना कुछ हो रहा है, बट अभी तक श्योर नहीं है. जैसा भी होगा मैं सैटरडे को बता दूंगा आपको. बट मोस्ट प्रोबेबली आई विल कम देयर ऑन 22. ठीक है, वेरी गुड यार. पार्टी दोगे फिर तुम?
हाँ,
सच्ची?
सच्ची.
ओके. यस लक्ष्मी.
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today our topic is dictionary. Dictionary. Dictionary is
Dictionary. Sugli.
dictionary is a very important things for human being
Things
because
कैसे आएगा रे पागल? Is a very. थोड़ा फोकस करना है इन चीजों पे. अब बेटा बोलना तो आ गया तेरे को, पर अब थोड़ा सा इन चीजों पे फोकस करना है. बच्चा बोल.
Yes, sir.
बोल बेटा.
And whenever we come across unfamiliar word, so that time we use dictionary, and some student use dictionary a lot, which may not be necessary at all. So the student should understand by the inferring of the meaning of the word on contracts. And समय आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ आ रही है. बोले बोल बेटा. आ रही है बेटा, बराबर आ रही है बेटा. बोल.
And we can find a lot of meaning in dictionary, and dictionary improve our pronunciation and how to speak any single word. And we can clearly understand any type of word by using dictionary. And very few people buy dictionary because nowadays everyone use phone. So they everyone. क्या सर?
Uses बेटा, uses.
हाँ सर. Everyone uses phone, so they search any single word on the phone, and we can't take dictionary in many places. So that time we can search any word on the phone, and dictionary reduce our thinking capacity, and it stop our mind how to how to think how to think about any word, and how to express our view by our view, and irritating things doesn't go a lot doesn't go long time with
अरे
us.
वाह यार.
So
Hmm.
so we shouldn't irritate
Iterate.
irritate
Iterate.
iterate yes sir iterate many words. And some teachers say that every day you should learn 10 meaning from the dictionary. It is not necessary, and it is wrong for a student, because they lose their thinking capacity, and they don't know how to understand any word from by ref by refer by refer by of inferring of the word, and 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 we should try to understand how what is the meaning of that word. And and in a magazine and newspaper, we we are likely to meet a lot of meaning, and that time we should infer by reference of the meaning, reference of the phrase, and and all time we should understand the meaning from that book that we use. And we should use dictionary in we should use dictionary less, and and that's it, sir.
अरे वाह यार, मजा आ गया सच्ची यार. वेरी गुड यार, बहुत बढ़िया. अंजू दीदी,
हाँ सर.
आजा दीदी आजा.
Yes sir. So hello everyone, my name is Anjali Meena and my today's topic is dictionary. So dictionary uses
बैठ
to
जा आराम से एक जगह, बैठ जा, मोबाइल को रख दे सामने, रख दे मोबाइल को, बैठ जा आराम से तसल्ली से, ऐसे, लाइक दैट, गुड गर्ल. अब बोल.
yes sir. So dictionary uses to help us in to seeing new words meaning. But sometimes students use it too much like for every single word.
धीरे धीरे
That
तसल्ली से,
can
आराम से बेटा, कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं है, आराम से बोल, तू बस अच्छे से बोल.
that can less
लेसन,
क्या सर?
लेसन वर्ब हो गई ना बेटा, लेसन कम करना. लेस का मतलब
Lesser
कम, और लेसन वर्ब हो गई कम करना. वाइट का मतलब
less
सफेद, एडजेक्टिव हो गया. वाइटन वर्ब हो गया. ब्लैकन वर्ब हो गया, काला करना, सफेद करना. बोल बेटा.
तो ness cap thinking
बोल.
capacity thinking capacity, and we can, and sometimes children look take dictionary and magazine, and if they stop and from any word they saw in dictionary,
शाबाश,
but
बहुत बढ़िया.
if we do not saw in dictionary and help our mind to see, help our mind to what is sentences, what the topic is going, and how to what is topic is going, and what word can be used.
बहुत बढ़िया.
And if we and dictionary is used to if we have something doubt in
Doubtful.
any word.
If we have doubt about something, बोल बेटा, बोल बोल बोल, घबराए मत.
If we don't doubt about something,
हम्म.
that's it.
और बोलती ना, मेरे को अच्छा लग रहा था. बोलती बहुत अच्छा है ये. बतैली है, बतौली. बुलवा तो कुछ भी लो इससे. तो कुछ लिखने में जोर पड़ता है इसको तो. झाड़ा लगाना पड़ेगा इसके, अब लिखने वाला एक. बोलती बहुत अच्छा है ये. थोड़ा फोकस हो, अभी कोशिश करती तो और हो गया, बस ठीक है, जा रही हूँ. थोड़ा सा और कोशिश करती तो और अच्छा बोल देती. ये क्या आलस है, आलसी है ये छोरी. थोड़ा सा आलस छोड़ देना. तू चुप रहे, मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना अभी. थोड़ा सा आलस छोड़ देना. ये लड़की नंबर 1 है. ऐसे बनाओ इसको नंबर 1. कोई बात नहीं, बन जाएगी ये, कोई बात नहीं, मुझे भरोसा है इसके ऊपर. विपिन.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. Today my topic name is dictionary. So dictionary is useful or harmful for us.
आराम से बेटा, धीरे धीरे बोलना बेटा, तसल्ली से. हाँ, फोकस कर रहे हो टॉपिक पे. हाँ, बोल बेटा.
How useful that we see dictionary for some words and we because all words meaning is in dictionary. And how harmful for us that we use dictionary for all words, so our skills is destroyed, like listening and reading. Because if we go to for interview, so we seen all words meaning in dictionary. So boss is angry and we do not do interview properly. And so we should use dictionary for some words. We should use newspaper and articles, magazine for words. That's it.
कोई बात नहीं, इसके टॉपिक पे लिखना और मेरे को फोटो भेजना. ठीक है, वेरी गुड. पहले हिंदी में लिखना, फिर उसको ट्रांसलेट करके मेरे पास भेजना बेटा, है ना. हिंदी वाला भी भेजना और इंग्लिश वाला भी भेजना मेरे पास. अब मैं कुछ चीजें तुम्हें बताऊंगा, तुम और तुमको ठीक करना है. ठीक है, कोई चिंता मत करो. यस. अरे वारे मेरे छला बाबू, आज तो गौरव को देखो. आजा 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 मेरा बच्चा, आजा आजा आजा. अरे आज तो बिल्कुल यार, तू तो नहा धो के बैठा है. मैंने तो खाली कंघी करने के लिए कहा था तेरे को. आज तो तेल वेल लगा के बढ़िया एकदम. आजा 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 बेटा, और अच्छे से बोलना, फिसलता हुआ मत बोलना.
Yes, sir.
बैठ जा पहले, तू तो एक जगह बैठ जा.
अरे वो अंजलि
तू बैठ जा पहले एक जगह. हाँ, ऐसे अच्छे से दिखाई दे, बिल्कुल ऐसे, लाइक दैट, जैसे फोटो खींच रहा हो पासपोर्ट बनने के लिए. हाँ, ऐसे. अब बोल. बोल.
Yes, sir. So hello everyone, and I'm Gaurav here, and my today's
फिर
topic.
वही चालू हो गया ना. बचा हुआ है, फिसलता
Yes,
हुआ मत बोला कर. हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज गौरव. ऐसे नहीं बेटा, क्लियरली बोलो. बोलो.
Yes, sir. So hello everyone, I'm Gaurav here, and my today's topic is dictionary and how to use it and how to not use it. So dictionary is a very useful type of book in which all the spellings and all the words and their meanings are present. But some people try to find every word and make their vocabulary abstract. But it's not useful because you are not even trying to learn the meaning. Understand the meaning by seeing the context. And also, some teachers say that learn 10 to 15 words
and write them and practice them. Not practice, but memorize their meanings
शाबाश,
daily
फोकस कर थोड़ा और.
from the
बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
dictionary. But it's not the right way to understand the meanings. You have to see that how the sentence is making the meaning and what will be the meaning of that word according to the sentence and how the story or the article is going on and what is the topic. So the word is related to the topic. That's how you can find the meaning by the context. And also some people and if you have that habit to see every word in the dictionary, so what will you do at a function where everyone is speaking in English? You're not an AI or robot, something that you will translate every word into Hindi. We are human, not robots.
बहुत बढ़िया.
Yes, and also dictionary is very useful. You can use it like 10 times in an article or a paragraph if if an emergency, if you can't find the meaning by the context and not even anything, so you can find it in dictionary or Google it. That's it. Thank you, sir.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. शाबाश बच्चा. बहुत बढ़िया. Good. She.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone, and good evening to all of you. I'm Kushi Gujar. Today, I'm telling about the use of dictionary. As you know that dictionary has a lot of words with meanings, and it is very useful and important for all. We can enhance our vocabulary with the help of it, and nowadays most of the students use Google and or AI. It is harmful for them. They can't enhance their vocabulary from this way. And I think that if we will use
if clause आएगा तो सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस आएगा जैसे आप बोल रहे हो. फोकस करो. कंडीशनल सेंटेंस.
Okay, sir. We will use new words in daily routine. We will collected many words. Collect many words from this way. It is good way for learn new words.
To learn.
Some people are
To learn. For लगाओ तो learning. बोलो बोलो ज्यादा मत सोचो. बस फोकस इतना करो कि मेरी बात घुल जाए खोपड़ी में. बोलो आगे बोलो.
Some people are against of it. Some people are favor of it.
In favor of it. कोई बात नहीं.
In favor of it.
फोकस कर ले बस. थोड़ा सा ठीक हो जाएगा अपने आप.
Some teacher advise us to learn 10 words daily. I think it is wrong way to learn new words, and when we use dictionary again and again, it is harmful for us and for reading person mostly. And at last, I want to say that we should use dictionary less time and with the with the help of it dictionary, I think that dictionary should be last option for us,
अरे बहुत बढ़िया बोला हाँ
and that's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बहुत बढ़िया यार बहुत बढ़िया काजोल
यस सर सर कैमरा ऑफ करके बोलो
बोल ये पूछती है बोल बोल बेटा
hello everyone my name is Kajal Mira. Today my topic is do we use dictionary or not.
शुड वी तू क्यों आएगा
Yes sir, should we use dictionary or not.
हाँ
Okay sir. As we all know that what is dictionary, and we can say that a dictionary is the combination of many
collection
vocabulary.
not combination collection
We can say that dictionary is the collection of many words, many new words, and sometimes we use dictionary, and dictionary is using dictionary is good, but we should not use dictionary too much, and I want to tell you that dictionary make us if we use dictionary for every single word, it makes us less effective readers, and it interrupt our thought process, and also slow down our reading speed, and dictionary using dictionary is good but not too much, and we should use if we suppose that we if we suppose that we read many if we read any article newspaper, and if we find any word uh, in that article and the newspaper, we should not rush, and we should not rush and not use a dictionary. We should we should inferring the word from the context, and we should try to understand that how to, what is going on in this sentence, and we should understand that we should try to understand that we should not be we should not need dictionary for every single word, and we should use dictionary not too much, and we should not use dictionary for every time, and sometimes our teachers advises us for using dictionary, and say they say that you should learn vocabulary from the dictionary, and you should uh, learn many new words, but it is not a good, I think it is not good, and we should not use dictionary too much, and it makes us uh, slow, and it is not good habit, and we should use dictionary less, and in the last I want to say that using dictionary is good, but we should not use dictionary every time, and it is not necessary that we should that we know the meaning of every single word, and we should try to understand the meaning of the word from the context, and we should make a good habit. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया वेरी गुड आइए प्रभु भगवान, आपका शिष्य पुकार रहा है आपको। आदित्य समझता नहीं है क्या?
अच्छा सर, आप सर मेरे को कह रहे हो क्या?
तो कल की तो बात है, कल तो तब बनाऊं तेरा शिष्य में।
सर कल कब बने?
अच्छा, कल नहीं तो परसों
सर आप
बनाया
तो गुरु
होगा,
हो।
परसों बोला होगा।
सर आप तो गुरु हो। सर आप तो गुरु हो।
गुरु तो हमें ही है। चल बोल।
तो शिष्य कैसे है?
अरे शिष्य हैं, हम बताएंगे कैसे हैं। बोलो, बोल बेटा, अच्छे से
ओके
बोलना
सर।
बेटा, ध्यान से जरा फोकस करके।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Aditya, and today's my topic is how dictionary is harmful for us and useful. So first, I say about the useful things of dictionary. Dictionary is very important in our life. We can see any word meaning, and and we face so many problems, but we can uh, face it with the help of dictionary. But when we sit in a conference, we don't say that stop, I see this word meaning, and
बहुत बढ़िया, बोल।
and
हाँ,
and and it is so bad because we say stop in the mid of the conference,
हाँ,
and and so many people use dictionary too much, and and it affects on our reading, uh, because
इफेक्ट
but
नहीं,
how
अफेक्ट। बोलो बोलो बोलो।
effect
अफेक्ट,
uh,
अफेक्ट।
affect
हाँ,
affect but some people say that you also see each word meaning in dictionary, and and always and always and always put a dictionary in your pocket,
कीप
keep in your
या
pocket.
हैव भी बोल सकते, हैव अ डिक्शनरी इन योर पॉकेट।
Yes,
हैव अ
sir.
डिक्शनरी। हाँ बेटा, बोल बेटा।
But I think it is too much. We should only we should try to we should try to uh, give meaning to that word, uh, and it is, and not only meaning, we 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 tell about the means of that word, and etc. So at last I want to say that dictionary is only a way to find meanings of words. By the way, we also find the other meaning of words. We should try to uh, we should try to uh, give meaning of that word in our life, not with the help of dictionary. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, that's it.
अरे वाह यार, वेरी गुड यार, शाबाश। सबका हो गया, कोई रह गया? आई थिंक ऑल हैव डन। थैंक यू वेरी मच।